Welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about Deepika Padukone's stunning looks and fashion choices. Deepika is known for her fashion sense and style and always manages to turn heads with her looks. Let's start with Deepika's stunning red carpet look at the 75th annual Cannes Film Festival in Cannes, southern France. The actress attended the premiere of the film, Decision to Leave, and turned heads with her custom-made Louis Vuitton gown. Deepika's stylist, Shalina Nathani, and makeup artist, Sandhya Shekhar, shared pictures of her on their Instagram pages, which quickly went viral on social media. Let's talk about her outfit. She chose a sleeveless and embellished black gown with shimmering feather-like tassels all over the dress. The gown had a figure-hugging silhouette that hugged her frame and a floor-sweeping train on the back. The black sequin adornments added to the glamour of the outfit. The gown had a plunging V neckline and bare back, and the strapped sleeves added to the overall appeal. To complement her stunning gown, Deepika opted for bold makeup. She chose a black smoky eyeshadow with exaggerated and winged eyes, kohl-lined eyes, mascara on the eyelashes, glossy nude lip shade, on-fleek brows, glowing skin, blushed cheeks, and beaming highlighter. The actress was caught on camera flaunting her back in a gorgeous light green dress with pink roses all over and green leaves. She tied her hair up in a bun and looked extremely happy. In the next picture, Deepika's smile will definitely get your heart racing. The actress was caught mid-twirl, and the joy on her face is infectious. The dress flows perfectly as she spins around, and the pink and green hues make the outfit look absolutely stunning. At the Mijwan Fashion Show 2022, which was held in Mumbai on Friday, the highlight of the show was undoubtedly Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh's regal ramp walk. The couple looked absolutely stunning as they walked hand in hand, with Ranveer even giving Deepika a sweet kiss on her cheek. The two were dressed in matching outfits by fashion designer Manish Malhotra. Ranveer was seen sporting a black sherwani with white embroidery and a ponytail, while Deepika looked like a dream in a white and golden lehenga with heavy embellishments and a statement-making necklace. The couple's PDA was definitely one of the highlights of the night, and the audience was cheering them on as they walked the ramp. Many paparazzi and fan pages on social media shared images of the couple's walk, which has gone viral. Deepika also shared pictures of herself and Ranveer from their special night. The photos show the couple lost in each other's eyes, as well as showing off their elaborate designer outfits. Deepika Padukone's latest look from a prestigious event, and let me tell you, she absolutely slayed. On day 3 of the event, she opted for a bright red layered gown with a plunging neckline from Louis Vuitton. The gown was absolutely stunning, and it hugged her curves in all the right places. She chose to keep the rest of her look simple, accessorizing with just a statement neckpiece from Cartier that complemented her dress perfectly. Deepika's makeup was on point as well, with subtle smoky eyes that paired well with a matching bright red pout. Her hair was tied up in a chic messy high ponytail, which further elevated her look. While the actress looked stunning in an orange gown, the actress seemed to be struggling with the ensemble. However, this didn't stop her from reminding us that she's a true fashion icon. She accessorized the look with green emerald earrings and matching orange high heels, which added a pop of color to her outfit. The Bollywood diva smiled and waved at the paparazzi as they clicked her pictures, and we couldn't help but admire her confidence on the red carpet. Deepika Padukone is back with another stunning look that we just can't stop talking about. In her latest Instagram post, the actress dropped some glamorous pictures in a black bodycon gown that's sure to turn heads. The actress opted for glam makeup but kept it subtle, with deep red lips that perfectly complemented her look. Her highlights and brows were on point, making her look even more amazing than usual. We all know that Deepika loves experimenting with her outfits and makeup, and this black bustier gown is just another example of her fashion prowess. Elegance personified, indeed. But that's not all. Did you know that Deepika Padukone is a fitness freak? She has a petite frame and gorgeous facial features, and her dimpled smile is just killer. But it's her razor-sharp jawline that always takes our breath away. Deepika opted for a gorgeous white sari at the ongoing festival and looked like an absolute vision in white. She posed with the other jury members and stole the show with her stunning look. The Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla creation was an absolute masterpiece. It featured a trail and dramatic pleated ruffles that gave it a very regal look. The earrings by Birdhichand Ghanshyamdas completed her look beautifully. Deepika kept her makeup subtle, with just the right amount of glow on her face. She tied her hair in a sleek bun, which looked very elegant and chic. Her fans and industry colleagues couldn't stop complimenting her for her stunning look. Deepika is at it again with yet another magnificent look. This time, she stunned everyone in a regal black and golden gown at a prestigious event. The black fur sleeves added a touch of drama to her attire and we're absolutely loving it. And can we talk about that matching shoulder gear with dramatic black fur sleeves? It took the glam quotient several notches higher. Deepika opted for a smoky eye look with a nude brown lip shade, which perfectly complemented her outfit. She kept her shoulder-length hair down and sported a sleek back hairdo, which looked absolutely chic. For accessories, she chose to go with black and golden minimal earrings that matched the hue of her gorgeous number, yet did not steal its thunder. The actress struck several poses as her eyes stared intensely at the camera lens, making us all go weak in the knees. She has just given her chic LV looks a miss and opted for a rustic bohemian charm dressed in her beloved sabya. The outfit was cinched seamlessly with a tan brown sabya belt featuring signature Royal Bengal tiger. But the highlight of the outfit was definitely those studded sabya heels. In this look, Deepika Padukone added a touch of elegance to her plunging neckline by wearing a statement Maharani necklace from the designer's heritage jewel collection. The necklace was adorned with multicolored gemstones and uncut diamonds. She further accessorized her look with a pair of drop danglers that complemented the necklace. To complete her makeup, she opted for winged eyeliner and an earthy brown lip shade. Dialing down the glam front, her messy bun was cinched with a matching scarf, adding an element of vintage glamour to her overall look. Deepika, who is set to grace the red carpet in 2022 like never before. This year, the actress has more appearances planned than any other year, and if the looks we've already seen are anything to go by, they're all newsworthy. It's now our job to document them all, not only because we are admirers of her style, but also because we are at the cusp of trends emerging directly from what Deepika wears on the red carpet. Deepika wore stunning golden black shimmery sari. She's giving us major retro vibes with her bold makeup and dramatic winged eyeliner. The actress just dropped a series of photos of her mesmerizing look, and she looks absolutely breathtaking. She tied her hair in a perfect bun and accessorized it with a golden hairband that complements her sari flawlessly. The gorgeous Deepika has been turning heads at the International Film Festival with her stunning fashion choices. Her latest look was a cream gown featuring an exaggerated chocolate brown bow, giving her the appearance of a beautifully wrapped gift. Her makeup was flawless, with kohl-rimmed eyes and a high ponytail, adding to her elegant personality. Fans couldn't help but be thrilled by her appearance at the event. Deepika Padukone's fashion style is truly one of a kind. She has an eye for statement-making pieces that are both bold and elegant, making her stand out on the red carpet and in everyday life. Deepika is known for her glamorous red carpet looks. She often wears gowns with intricate beading, embroidery, and dramatic silhouettes. Some of her favorite designers include Sabyasachi Mukherjee, Zaher Murad, and Prabal Gurung. She is not afraid to take risks, experimenting with bold colors and unique details. Deepika's casual wear is effortless and chic. She often wears denim, leather jackets, and bomber jackets paired with boots or sneakers. She also loves to accessorize with statement sunglasses, bags, and jewelry. Even in casual wear, she always looks put together and stylish. Deepika is proud of her Indian heritage and often incorporates traditional Indian wear into her fashion choices. She is often seen wearing saris, lehengas, and anarkalis. She is not afraid to experiment with different colors and fabrics, and loves to mix traditional wear with modern accessories. Deepika's makeup style is typically bold and statement-making. She often wears bold lipstick shades, smoky eye makeup, and dramatic eyeliner. Her makeup is always perfectly coordinated with her outfit, and she loves to experiment with different makeup styles to suit the occasion. Deepika's hairstyles are often simple and sleek, highlighting her natural beauty. She is often seen with her hair in a high bun, sleek ponytail, or loose waves. She also loves to experiment with different hair accessories, such as headbands and hairpins, to add a touch of elegance to her look. Overall, Deepika Padukone's fashion style is a mix of classic elegance and bold statement pieces. She is not afraid to take risks and experiment with different styles, while still maintaining a cohesive and unique aesthetic. Her fashion choices always showcase her confidence and bold personality, making her a true fashion icon. That's all for now on Deepika's stunning looks and fashion choices. Stay tuned for more videos.